Me mamunyina akaba bia senhia de di kan me da munyina ase ne mo nane de di kan beto channel ya woba me mo akwa be manko be kan busia no na de na yesia no nso be sua bi ni efie nye kama and then see another simple recipe to try me to TV no so near fancy chef if you say ebe koye yet to aso enti anioma and they ba be use me simple kwa we say a potato say 4 raw one na make try egu nsuo mi and na we see a carrot mi na make try and na we 2 medium size onion jenny and also make try wa ha say and na we say 1 tin chopped tomatoes and also you bet me use fresh one say wo bia and na we ya me tomatoes na me chi mo no tasty woman cause into one share me the link na beto so ama 1 tablespoon and we a fresh thyme only fresh one I bet me to dry one and now we say I mean makono to taste so and now we a fennel na fennel we use to be that try it is kitty taste so mama venture and the fennel we say net here and I make try a say so and I may use fitan and tia hanon so no bet me the stock and say net here oko supermarket dodo na omoton nti fennel no baako and make try and we say a garlic 4 and I grate to say and we so a akakedra and also make 1 teaspoon in here and we am mixed peppers into a simple plenty giaconia and skepe near the new mabeka yet to us and say I made the mango esiso so angwa kakrebi me su sunflower bet me so anwe bia pengo crebe koyi na feodo garlic no and ne akakedra ne gunti ma eja no en no bebre ntu chimu kakwa ne mu amane nhye so ahu se be ye be ma nice flavor nti a cheki tu ebi na wahwie wo fennel no egu nti fennel no sani ameka no try bi da bomodin a try na me se wani beje ho e kama pa nti o chain for be 1 minute bia na afi o de o jeni no aka nti bomodin asa wo mpeje na ho bomodin afa je ne kika waduane ho eboa ma cholesterol ekofo afi nso no wo high blood pressure so eboa reduce cinema nti bomodin asa bibia wudi no so ahun sane meka no research wo ho na ne ebeboa na ade aka nnuane ho na ekoyie ye to aso timijene na miguso achena so ahun ma chene for be 8 minutes into ye aduane na enwura hye no omodin asa obe ne bro ni nyina wo eda ebema na ekoyie sane meka no ye to aso aha ye sham jai ebe koyie na do meko naka into meko ni chimu kakra so ano de use de upe bia Fenado fresh tomatoes na sunflower kakra na for the tomato paste no we dey account say we machi mu deda nti abene na mo use raw one dey afenu gum ansad toast na gum na me so try recipe we ya wow we be hu say ekoyie akani na afra nti na do fresh thyme na dey aka ho na for the salt to taste kakra bi aka don't say me tomato paste ni me season kama nti flavors wo so nti no uni anu bia wo me jollof spice blend na no afebi ana so say parsley and thyme kakra na de aka tino akata so na esima brow na afia to aso And they say me the potatoes snake can we a raw one. So now my flavors no akoshishim. We enche bebene. Nti na flavors ni na kom kama. Nti we betumi adi ne saa dodo na yedi ne saa pese odidi emo anasa wrap bibia nso abetumi di edi ampesie ni nyina ebekoyi. Ba potatoes ni nti ema ekoyi kama. Nti meja na da low kra. Tia froya ni egusi aha ye sham. So on thyme no and a tomato base in so am ye nti ya na potatoes no hwe na edin dodoa no an so di nsuo kakra bi beka ho na wakata so na low heat na steaming ne kama ma ti akaka crab na afi me the carrot na ba beka ho and they say me the carrot na e ka ho na fe wa kan no am no so ho aben kakra benye peche so I was in front of any goosey. Wow, it's almost done. Into the Moa say, I am Cosia, so I 6. Now, Cosia and their mind is a medicine woman cacrasabaya and papa, nafi flavors, and so a beco mamma. So, into anuncio protein, open protein, not a second. It is almost done. Me ma flavors na kwahihye nkosia ni mu kakra na nkosia no me nua no for about 3 minutes pe na me dumuja no na see so for another 1 minute nti emi bebre nti ekomu a na chese any overcooked na chese aboa so aha nti no me just so na sima kakra na afia de aka naka I was young for a higher sham, and now food or peppers, now they are. The peppers need all the can no what do mujan, you do me jam, swam. My heat in Ancasa faso. Ah, Miss Froy, and I yet say, oh dear fowl more bra, washy. So, number you could see a barco, I can't want. Into fresh time, no best save ya now a year free. Tiabusia for ye we once I come into Giaconia ni ninko. Busia for wa Hesania fro ye washe with the bomodian sorry komukasi ne kotwa bi show e ma wadofo so na ekoyi ye to aso. It was a way they simple cry. Ne food am DJ na sabomodian say ukọ shopping so no what try new vegetable bi ebia no wani je na afi bibia woto na so research wo say boa woni obusua no wato na afi die wo dia keka umia original kwa na beka say ya che e wodo kwa sisinya me ya aduma ye besen share na say dem ye ne so wani je ho a now subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I love you. God bless.